Hello everyone, welcome to the Graceman Online Academy. In this video, I'm going to solve WAEC 2018 number 2A theory question. This is a question on quadratic graph. Okay, the question reads that the graph y equals 2px squared minus p square x minus 14 passes through the point 3, 10. Find the values of p. Okay, now this question is a straightforward question. All you need to do is to substitute your x and y into the given graph or the curve or the equation, and then you will be able to find the value of p. Now, let's start by looking at the solution. Okay. Now, the given graph is y equals 2px squared minus p square x minus 14. Now, the point that we have, the point given is 3, 10. That is the point given to us. Okay. This implies that x is 3 and y is 10. That is the meaning of what we are given. So what we need to do is to substitute. We substitute anywhere you see y, you put 10, and anywhere you see x, you put 3. So we have 10, okay, equals 2p, open brackets, then we put 3 squared minus p squared into 3 minus 14. Then we have 10 equals, now this will give us 9. 9 times 2 will give us 18p. Okay, that is 3 square is 9. 9 times 2, 18. Then this p, we put it here, minus 3p squared minus 14. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do is to take this 10, okay, and transpose it to this side such that we'll be left with 0 at this other side. Then we have 18p minus 3p squared minus 14. Now this is positive 10. On transposing to this side, turn to negative 10. So this can now be written as 18p, okay, minus 3p squared minus 24. Now this equal to 0 can be written at this other side as equal to 0. Now when you observe the terms or the numbers or the coefficients, we see that we can divide through by 3. If I divide through by 3, this become 6p. This will become what? P squared. And if I divide this by 3, I will have 8 equal to 0. Now we are having a what? A quadratic what? A quadratic equation. We are having a quadratic equation. Now we need to arrange it properly. Minus p squared will come first. Then plus 6p will come, minus 8 equal to what? 0. Now I'm going to multiply through by minus in order to take care of this minus here. Multiply through by minus 1, so this become positive p squared, this become negative p, and this become positive 8 equal to 0. Now what do we need to do? What we need to do is to factorize. We look for two numbers such that when you multiply them together, they will give you 8. And when you add them together, they will give you what? Minus 6. Now let's look at the number. 8 can be obtained by using 2 times 4. 8 can be obtained by using 1 times 8. The one that will likely give us minus 6 is this particular one. And how do we arrange it to give us minus 6? We say minus 2 minus 4. So by the time we put it here, we now have, what are we going to have now? We're going to have p squared minus 2p minus 4p. That is to represent this minus 6p. Then plus 8 equal to 0. At this point, what we should do is to pick the terms 2 by 2 and then factorize. If I factorize, I have p into p minus 2. Then what is common here is minus 4 into p minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, and then solving further, we have p minus 2 into what? P minus 4 equal to 0. Now this means p minus 2 can be equal to 0 or p minus 4 equal to 0. Then we have p to be equals to 2 or p to be equals to 4. So these are the values of p that will satisfy the given graph.